top three. And all three guys have one thing in common. They have all won SK Modified Championship at the Speed Bowl. So as soon as the confab is over between Ron Uhas and Rob Janovic, we'll be talking to the man who finished in third place in car number 51, Rob Janovic Jr. Well, considering how your weekend started, finishing on the podium is not bad.
Not bad at all. I mean, we definitely had the car to win. You know, I'm friends with Keith and everything, but when I saw him, you know, put Ronnie in the wall in the back chute, I said, I'm not going to go there. So I tried working him on the inside, and it's fun to race with Ronnie. He and I are such good friends. Good to have him back. You know, it was fun racing against him. I knew I could trust him. We definitely wanted at least, if not to win second, but Ronnie and I raced each other clean. I was just way too loose on the outside, and hey, third podium finish after everything we went through this weekend. My crew did a great job pulling together. Glenn from GCR did so much work on the car, and it ended up not even being an engine problem. It was an electrical problem that haunted us all day yesterday. But yeah, we came back for a top three, so that's good.
9 laps to go on that restart. You were in second. Then you wandered to the outside, and it kind of triggered the big disaster that followed. What happened?
I don't know. I was a little bit, you know, the 56 car is fast. I didn't know what she was going to do on the restart. My spotter called me clear. I started to drop in, and then I got hammered in the left rear. I got out sideways, and while I was sideways, all I saw was her rear panel in my face, and the car snapped back. I kept going, and I don't know what happened. I wasn't involved in it, so thank God.
Well, a great opening weekend run, ladies and gentlemen, for Rob Janovic. And who helped you bring it into third place?
Definitely GCR Power. None of these engine builders got anything on us with a GCR Power. Makara Vehicle Services, Big A Auto Parts in North Branford, Flanders Donut and Bake Shop. We got a few new sponsors. Servpro in Norwich, huge sponsor of us forever. Eagle Fence and Guardrail. There's so many. We've got a couple of new ones this year. Planet Fitness. D&D Trucking. They didn't make the car because I forgot to get the stickers done, but D&D Trucking, huge help to us this year as well, and thank all of them for helping us get out here.
Well, he might have forgot the stickers, but he didn't forget how to get his car to the podium. Rob Janovic Jr.